Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update ClickUp goals with templates for execution, full guide step by step clearly. To update ClickUp goals using templates for execution, start by logging into your ClickUp account. Navigate to the Goals section on your dashboard. Select the goal you wish to update from your list of existing goals. Once you have selected the goal, click on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, choose the option labeled Use Template. A list of available templates will appear on your screen. Browse through the templates and select the one that aligns with your execution strategy. After selecting the template, you will be prompted to customize it. Update the template fields to reflect your specific project needs and objectives. Ensure that you input key metrics and deadlines for tracking progress. Once you have completed your updates, click on the Save button to apply the changes. Your goal should now be updated with the selected template. You can review your goal's progress by returning to the Goals Overview page. To share your updated goal with team members, click on the Share button. Select the team members you want to share the goal with from the list. Confirm the sharing settings to ensure they have the appropriate access. Now, monitor your goal regularly to track progress against your newly applied template. Repeat this process for any additional goals you wish to update with templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.